Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to set up an Instagram business account. So you have to register a business account for Instagram the same way that you would register a normal Instagram account. So you have to register and go through the typical process of creating an account. The main difference between a normal account and a business account is that you will be linking one of your other social media accounts. So let me show you what I mean. So you'll see here that they are going through the process of registering an account, and eventually once they've completed to select the information that you see here, what will happen is that you have to link, as you can see, one of your other social medias. So here they're suggesting either Twitter or Facebook. So the idea here is that, for example, if you linked your Facebook account, that would be considered your personal Facebook account. So the idea is that rather than link your personal Facebook account, what you are trying to link is the Facebook business page. So that's what you're trying to link. So once you've actually linked the account, you have to make sure that you select the business page, not the personal Facebook account. So as you can see here, this is where you would select the business account. So select the correct one. As you see here, you have to click on share to, and then that's where you would select your business page on Facebook or the social media that you selected. Okay, so once you've done that, you will come to this step where you will have your account set up, a business for Instagram, a business account, I should say, not a business Instagram account, and you are ready to promote your image. So what we will do here is that I will play the video and I will kind of skip parts of the video. So this is actually a video that I recorded outlining things that you would need to do. So once you've created an account, you will go ahead and post an image, and once you've posted an image, you will see that you will have the insights and the promotion ability. Normally you would not have that ability, so you could click on insights or you could click on promotions. Insights is intended more once you have promoted an image, then you will look at the insights. Otherwise, it will not really display information from what I can, from what I believe. So if you click on promotion, you will have to obviously select the image that you want to promote. You have to configure the objectives and actions. So really important that you familiarize yourself with the objectives and the actions buttons available on Instagram. You'll see why in a second. So you'll see here that you could put more emphasis if you decided to promote one of your images on whether if people look at your profile and visit your website more, or you could put more emphasis on people around you. So that would be how the promotion would be built around. And of course you can figure this out as you are going through the process of promoting a specific image. So you'll see here the fields that are being asked. So you'll put your website, and as far as the action button, you'll see here that for this one, the action button, it says learn more. So what this means is that if you're ever on Instagram and you see an ad load up, if the ad wanted you to learn more information about it, it would say learn more, just like you see here. So there are other options, as you can tell. It just depends on what you want your user to do, whether if you want them to sign up on your website, to contact you, to book you now, to shop, or to learn more information, or to watch a video potentially. It's ultimately depends on what you need for your business. So once you've selected that, if you want to display your address, you can see that if you select, for example, people near an address, so that would be in the surrounding area of your business. So that's where you would have to actually have an address. So you'll see here, get directions. That means that if somebody was in the surrounding area, you would give them your address so they can find you easily. Okay, so let me continue. And as far as the actual audience type, you can have specific audiences like you see here. You can select on the basis of location, gender, or age, or a combination of all of them. So you'll see here that I believe that, yeah, they do say that there's a maximum of 10 possible combinations. So let me see here. So you'll see here that if you wanted to have it really generalized, we can just leave the United States, meaning that everyone who lives in the United States will see it. As far as the interest, whether if the audience that you decided to specify has specific interest, so your research will be what will determine specific interest for specific audiences that you want to target. The age or the gender is up to you, honestly. Okay, so as you can see here, on this particular example, they're setting a budget of $10 for 3 days. So you can, of course, set those to any specific ranges that you want. You'll see in a second. So you'll see here that you can set your own budget, or you can just select one of these, and that's what will decide how long the campaign will be running for. Well, the promotion, I should say. Of course, you do have to put your card information eventually once you register, the promotion. Once you've actually completed the promotion, you should be able to see the insights like you see here. And from that point, you can just see where things are going. Okay, so I want to mention that you have to connect one of your other social media accounts. So be sure to link it and just follow the process, and just start off by promoting the image and just go from there. Just follow the instructions. Alright, so my name is Jeffrey. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope that this video was useful to you. Alright, so thank you.